Hi, so I also looked into this website called Coospace, and I just tried to get familiar with it. Is there any way to figure out, for example, when the exam registration is starting? So basically, is there any calendar which collects all these important data?
Yes, of course, you can always find the relevant academic calendar on Coospace. If you log into your Coospace platform, the document information for students seen is for the international students. So please click on it. And here you will find several folders with various information. And you need the academic calendar here. 2020-21, and this is the spring semester. So if you please click on it, then you can find all the important deadlines and periods that are relevant in this current semester.
So basically, through my studies, I just need to follow these details, what I can see on the academic calendar, and I will find. Is that correct?
Yes, it's always updated, so you can always find the latest information here. Yes.
Mm-hmm. And also, I just heard from my friends that there is some documentation where I can check my study advancement. I think it's called recommended curriculum. Where can I find that one?
You can find it also on Coospace under the studies folder. If you scroll down a little bit, here you can find the recommended curriculum folder. There are separate folders for the art students and for the non-art students, those who study business, tourism, and communication programs. What is your program?
It's finance.
Okay, so we need the business, tourism, communication. Are you a bachelor or master student?
A bachelor.
Okay, and you enrolled this semester?
Yes,
right?
As I'm a freshman.
So you need 2020-21 spring enrollment. And here you can find 3 different spreadsheets. And you need the recommended curriculum. So please open it. And here you can find the curriculum of all the programs. And you said you study
Finance and accounting.
So this is what you need to consider. Here you can see the list of your first semester subjects, which are automatically registered for you. The lecture number means the number of lessons that you will have each week. So one lesson is 40 minutes at METU. So if you can see that you have 2 lectures, it means that you'll have 80 minutes.
80 minutes in total. Yeah. Oh, that's not that long, okay.
And the lecture means that you need to listen to the lecture of your tutor. But you also have a practical part, for example, in calculus. So if you see that there's a number at both lecture and practical, it means that you'll have both types of classes.
So basically it has got 2 elements, one lecture and one practice. Am I correct?
Yes, that's correct. And the attendance is compulsory at practical classes. You can be absent for maximum 3 times during the semester.
And for example, a bit below, I see that TR. What's TR referring to?
That's a training course in a semester.
And within that yellow line, what's the, for example, that 27 and 31?
It means the credit number in that given semester. So the total credit number of your first semester subjects is 27. In the second semester, you are supposed to take 31 credits. It's very important that you try to complete all your registered subjects in the first semester, because as you can see from the next semester on, there will be some prerequisites of the new courses. So, for example, you can take statistics only if you complete calculus for business and economics in the first semester. So these courses are structured on each other.
Mm-hmm. And for example, if I can't complete the calculus in the first semester, am I allowed to register for both, I mean the calculus and the statistics in the upcoming second semester?
No, the prerequisite means that you can only register for the next subject, the statistics, only if you complete the calculus. So if you fail calculus in the first semester, then you will not be able to take statistics in the second semester. You need to retake the calculus in a future semester.
And I also heard that later on I might be able to choose a specialization. Is it also visible in my recommended curriculum?
Yes, of course it is. If you scroll down, you can see that from your sixth semester, you can start a specialization. We will inform you when the specialization selection will be open for you, and you'll need to choose between finance or international accounting. And you can start your specialization from the sixth semester if you complete all the prerequisites of it.
And I presume that at the very bottom of this Excel sheet, I am going to see the total amount of credits what I need to fulfill through my studies.
Exactly. For example, in your program, you'll need to have 210 credits in total.
Wow, that's quite a lot.
Yes, but you'll have 7 semesters to complete them.
Oh,
and
yeah.
There's one more very important information. If you scroll through your recommended curriculum, you can see that you have a frame of optional subjects to complete. So during your studies, you will need to complete some optional courses as well.
How many?
You can see it in your curriculum. For example, here you have 5 and then again 5. So in total, you should have at least 10 optional credits.
So 10 credits and not 10 courses?
No, it's 10 credits, not courses.
10 credits in total, understood.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thanks very much for your help.
You're welcome.